guys, Garnet here again, looking at football plays for physical education aimed at multiple learning styles. So we have here our typical setup of what a play is, right? So we'd be going eye set with interior defensemen, and we're focusing on the offense here. So what I have here is what a traditional play would be set up like. This is a drawing that I made. Usually this would be in a playbook, which is in paper, and this is just another way of presenting it. So what I would have the kids do is study what position they would be focusing on for this part of the curriculum, and then we can do something that affirms knowledge by going here, right? So I have the empty playbook again, so I just get them to go draw tool, and then I'd say, you know, Jimmy is focusing on being a fullback for the time period, so I'd be like, Jimmy, draw where the fullback blocks here, so so draws where he thinks he blocks. We go back and check. Yeah, looks right. So what we can move on to here, move back to the quick tool. So what I have is a pre-recording. So now showing the kids where they're supposed to end up in space. So this is more kinesthetic and visual style of learning. So I just press play. Boom, shows up. Defenseman moves. So I have my tackle blocking, guard blocking. So we'll go through the whole thing, right? So it's showing where everybody ends up in space. So typical trap play. Now this isn't real time. Everybody's supposed to be moving together, but that's something that you can work with on the field. And our running back goes, we leave this guy because he's away from the play. Oh yeah, touchdown. Perfect. So now, you know, the nice thing is I can pause, move back, play, right? So if you know, somebody wants to look, it's like, okay, so why does the guard go there, right? I pause it, we can talk a little bit about it. I can move it back, mid-play, play it again. I can go all the way to the end. Oh, so that'll do. Yeah, perfect. So then we go, let it play through, show where everybody ends up in space again. Dun, dun. So once it gets to the end, what I would say is the next slide, we're going to use a drag and drop tool to see if everybody knows where they're supposed to end up in space, right? So we're going to go there, done, right, back to our original drawing of the play, and now I'll just have the kids come up. They can use their finger or the pen tool, but the pen tool is being a little crazy right now, so we're just going to use our finger. Dun, dun, dun. So we have, just drag and draw, just like that. Leave this guy. Drag. So everybody knows where they're going. Right, so, you know, if everybody thinks this is right, we can move to our next slide, which I have. It's a fadeaway tool. So let's see, does this look the same as what everybody drew up here? Yeah, it looks good, right? So that way we're affirming knowledge for different learning styles. So I hope you guys can use this in your own phys ed classes, and thanks for listening to me.